So, hello again, Liberty students. This video is just to go over the design of the course discussion forums and over the rationale of the course. I've put you all in discussion groups by now, and I trust you found those and are functioning already. Some clarification on the discussion forums, though. They provide a platform for peer interaction and to prompt serious research and reflection to encourage timely responses and interaction. These are the primary items. So, peer interaction. I encourage you, when you respond to a peer, to do three things at a minimum. Number one, compliment your peer on any things they've done exceedingly well in their discussion board post, or maybe an insight that they've offered that you hadn't thought about. It's good to note those. And then secondly, you need to provide some kind, constructive critique of your peers. Interact with their posts. Don't just necessarily accept one another's posts verbatim or at face value, but interact with them, challenge one another, goad one another when necessary. Don't do so unnecessarily, but you need to use critical thinking when you read one another's posts. And then lastly, try to leave one another with a good, relevant, thoughtful, open-ended question. That is, leave one another with a question that your peer is going to need to think about in order to answer, not simply a yes or no kind of question, but a question that they'll have to think about and respond in a meaningful way. Again, you want your discussion interaction to encourage and goad one another, to push one another to greater heights of understanding and deeper insights into the book of Romans. We're looking for prompt, serious research and reflection. By the way, your discussion boards need to conform to Turabian when you're citing sources. That means footnotes and even a bibliography at the end. So be sure to follow through on that. And by scholarly research, I mean consult a few primary scholarly sources. You must consult the course textbook by Moo and the other course textbook, but you need two additional scholarly sources as a minimal requirement in these. And then please keep the following in mind as you participate in the upcoming discussion forums. Be sure to answer each component of the discussion item. There should be a grading rubric available for you in the course and for the discussion boards, and I would encourage you to look that over and make sure you conform to it as you complete your discussion boards. And these are designed for timely interaction. You should have your initial post done by Friday evening, by midnight on Friday. You should have your initial post completely done and submitted. And then by Monday night, you should have your replies to at least two peers completed. And again, these are all graded by the rubric, so do pay attention to these. And here are some guidelines for you, too. Do some research and preparation for your original thread. Don't just throw things down. Think about the question, do a little research, be able to cite your sources, and put it in. Aim for 4 to 6 paragraphs. Now, this may vary per topic, but 4 to 6 paragraphs, not necessarily lengthy paragraphs. We're looking more for substance than we are volume. Thoughtful work is going to fare better than just bulky work. And then respond to two group members' original threads, that is, their initial posts. Each week, again, you need to reply to two. You can reply to more if you want. It's not necessary to, but reply to at least two. So in summary, you should post your original thread by 11:59 p.m. on Friday of each week, where you have a discussion board, and respond to two original threads from others in your group by 11:59 p.m. Monday during the module. Well, I'm looking forward to grading your discussion boards and looking forward to some stellar work. God bless you as you do so.